Hello dear traders and investors. With you project System.Guru.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. We will study each parameter in more detail a little further. If necessary, you can stop the video. We suggest that you take a closer look at each parameter of the company. We will compare the company's key indicators with you. Anbio Biotechnology, ticker NNNN. This review is based on information as of July 13, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets organization, Anbio Biotechnology belongs to the subcategory. Meta-analysis. 29 companies take part in the analysis. We'll look at the order table at the end of the video. The result for the company is 1.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.1 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the entire market in general, you can see that the average score for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the score of 1.5 points, Anbio Biotechnology. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price, Anbio Biotechnology, and subcategory shares, we see that over the past 12 months, the company's shares, Anbio Biotechnology, showed a change of 0%. Against price changes in the 2.9% subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Anbio Biotechnology amounts to $7.09 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $116 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.02 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $39 billion. Having compared the shares of the stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Anbio Biotechnology in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 6.112%. The book value is 0.043%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The organization under analysis has no financial obligations. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, very good, 2 points. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 2,835.2, with an average in the subcategory of 0. The company's market price-to-earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory is very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $2 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The company's value-to-revenue ratio is 805.5. Average for the subcategory is 3.3. Evaluation of the market value-to-revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $10 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the indicators of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The marginality is 28.9%, with the average for the subcategory being -7.8%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.021%, which is 29,005% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $262,519,000. And in the subcategory, $900,000. Assessment of the volume of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is $92.6 thousand, with an average in the subcategory, minus $21.5 thousand. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per individual employee is $326,000. In the subcategory, $276,000. Evaluation of the volume of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 0.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 3.7%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 87% for the company Anbio Biotechnology. For the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 57%. The company's current stock price is approximately $49.27. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is unknown. Let's go to the order table. It is available to everyone. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made in a given season by the information evaluation system, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the company's assessment Anbio Biotechnology stock valuation reference system GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Open sell order at $49.26. The deal is open because the company has a relatively low rating and price dynamics. The company's assessment is made using the assessment method, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 11.5. Stop loss is set at 87.02. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of the session on August 12, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker, RVTY, will become the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you audience for watching to the end and for using the information system GURU.Markets.